everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today we are going to be making light chicken soup and I'll be sharing with you my simple and easy recipe for today. So first things first, the things that we have, the ingredients. We don't have a lot of ingredients today because it doesn't take that much to make this soup taste good. So first we have our tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. We have our onions, carrots. We have our tomato paste. In this bowl we have our peppers, ginger and some garlic, and then we have our chicken. Of course, I have already cleaned my chicken. The only thing that I have to do is wash my chicken using the lemon. So we are going to be washing our chicken today, and then we shall be putting it in the oven for a little about 10 to 15 minutes. So after washing the chicken, I will go with you to show you how you put in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes to make the skin harder and also take out all the fats that are still on the chicken, right? So let's wash our chicken. And then again, guys, as we wash our chicken, I just want to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. I really appreciate it. Please share, like and comment to support me for us to grow this channel to the next level. So we are squeezing some lemon on it so we can take out all the chicken, all that may be inside the chicken. We are not adding any spices to the chicken. We are just trying to if you have like charcoal and that you can roast it a bit, you can use charcoal, but I don't have charcoal, so I'm going to use my oven. So you don't put any spices because you don't need any spices. It's just for you to, the reason that's why we're putting in the oven is to take off all these extra fats on the chicken and also to make the skin harder. So when you're eating it, it's hard. You're tasting hard chicken. It's hard chicken, but not as hard as I would like it to be. So that's why I put it in the oven for about 10 minutes. So I'll show you how it looks like. You'll see the difference. So my stove is already preheated to high. So I'll just put my chicken inside for now for 10 minutes. Okay, so 10-15 minutes later, the chicken is done to the way I want it. All the fats are gone. So the next step we are going to do, we are going to start making our soup. So what I do is that I don't pour away the water that has come out of the chicken. I keep it. So I just add everything into the pot. So this is how my chicken looks like. And then so what I will be doing, I will be adding some diced onions, but the onions I've cut it in smaller pieces. I've cut the onions in smaller pieces. So we shall be adding our onions to the soup. the chicken. So we are adding in our blended vegetables into the soup. Okay, so our soup is ready for us to eat. This is how it looks. Light soup. I added some okra to it. So we are going to be enjoying our soup with the fufu. So I'll put some on the fufu. So guys, I hope that you enjoy this meal with us as you watch, and please, if you want to try it out, it's very easy. You just have to follow the steps that I showed you. And I want to thank you from here and say that thank you so much for watching from the beginning to the end. Please, if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing to support me. Like, share, comment on my videos, and I also link more videos that you have not watched on this video. In case you missed any video, I will link them for you. Thank you so much again for watching. Thank you for staying with me. God bless you. Bye bye. See you on the next one.